Hi everybody, I'm Tom.
And Chloe.
Hi, this is our first video for YouTube. Today we're going to do a taste test of 2 cookies that no one probably has ever eaten before. And they look really good and they have never been opened, so don't think that they have.
We already opened them for our video though.
No. Okay, ready? So, the 2 types of cookies we have are chocolate animal crackers and vanilla wafers. I know you've probably never had them before, so we're going to taste them and tell you if they're good. Here, Chloe, you try one. Oop, somebody did open those. It wasn't me. Here.
Neither.
I'm going to eat one first.
We're good.
They're pretty good. I'd recommend these for sure. Yeah. All right, next. Oop, no wafers. Oop, we must have got a box that was already opened. That's okay.
No, well, we already opened them though.
Oh, okay. Ready? Let's try this one. Good too. I bet these are probably good with whipped cream. We recommend these, don't we? Thumbs up. Okay, see you next time.